Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as the name suggests, I am doing a quick get ready with me makeup tutorial for my work's Christmas do. It is a very simple sort of look, so for those of you who don't like too much makeup but want something there for an event or a party, then I think this is the perfect look for you. Like, it's very simple on the eyes. I've just jazzed it up with red lips because I love red lips and I feel that this is a perfect occasion to wear it. But if you don't like it, you can always wear whichever color you like, because with this eye look you can wear any lip color. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so as you can see, I've got nothing on my face. I have just moisturized my face. Just to make this video a lot quicker, what I'm going to do is mute it. I'm not going to talk over anything. I'm going to show you the product and literally just apply it. If you have any questions about any of the products that I'm using, then please leave a comment below and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. But let's get straight into it. So firstly, I'm going in with the Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. I haven't actually used this before, as in I've just recently bought it. So I've used it a few times and I do really like it. And then for my primer, I'm firstly going in with the Photo Finish Blur Primer by Smashbox. And just around the pores, I'm using my Tarte Smoothing Primer, which I absolutely love. I think this one and the one by Winky Lux are my favorite ones for the pores. Then I'm mixing these two foundations, which is the Mercier foundation in Suntan and the Face and Body one by MAC in the shade C5, and literally just applying that with a large kind of buffing brush. This is just to help smooth out everything, all the products all around my face. And then I'm going in with my Morphe blending sponge, and I'm just spritzing that with the MAC Fix Plus first, just to help mesh everything in. I did go in with a little bit of extra product just around the main areas where I saw some more pigmentation, but it didn't actually work. So I'm using my Studio Finish concealer by MAC in the shade NW35 and just applying that to the areas where I feel that just needed that little bit more kind of coverage. Then for my dark circles under my eyes, I'm just using this Deep Peach corrector by Decay and just blending that in under my eyes first before I go in with my concealer. And for my concealer, I will be using the Naked Skin concealer by Decay as well in the shade Medium Dark. I love this concealer so much. I've gone through so many of these. Like, it just blends out really nicely. It's got good medium coverage to it. I think it's not as heavy coverage as like the Tarte tape, Shape Tape, but it's still really good, and it's quite moisturizing. It's not too drying under the eyes. So I am also taking whatever's left on the brush on my eyelids as well, just to help neutralize my eyelids before I move on to kind of setting the areas where I put my concealer. And for that, I'm using my trusty Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade Banana Bread. And this product I just love. I just literally kind of set my concealer for now, and I will be going in further to bake it. But I'm just in my brows now with the Goof Proof Brows by Benefit, and this is in the shade 6, and I just find it so quick and easy to use it. And I'm just going to kind of set those brows in place using the Gimme Brows by Benefit as well, and this is in the shade number 5. Moving on to bronzing, I'm using this kind of Bronzer. I've forgotten what it's actually called, but it's by Becca Cosmetics, and one side it's a contour shade and the other side it's like a bronzer. They are quite cool toned, but I don't mind it at this time of the year. But yeah, I'm just going in and kind of bronzing the areas that I like to just deepen up a little bit and just kind of warm up. And then moving on to actual contouring, I'm taking the bronzer by Tarte, and this is in the shade Hotel Heiress. I did actually get a bigger sample or a bigger size of this in the Black Friday sale. I actually don't know if it was on sale, but I just bought it anyway because I know I'm running low on this and I really like it. It is more warm rather than the cool tone, which is why I prefer it. So just after kind of lightly contouring my nose, I'm just taking this gorgeous highlight by Saleha Cosmetics, and this is in So Hollywood, I think, or Hollywood Gold, one of the two. I will link it down below though. I get confused with that one and the ABH one, but it's really good. Then going with this peachy blush by Tarte from the Tarte Blush Bazaar. I'm just applying my blush before I set the base in place. Now, you guys know me, I love my highlighter. That highlighter wasn't enough after, and I wanted just another kind of different color to go on top. So I'm just taking Ballerina by Ghellar. And now it's the time to bake. I'm just kind of baking under the eyes, not just to set the concealer, but it's to help catch any eyeshadows that I put on top, because I know I always make a mess. So firstly, in my crease, I'm going in with a ColourPop transition color. It's called Note to Self, and I really like that one. For highlighting my brows and the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going in with Naked Lunch by MAC, and just taking that with a dense brush just so that the shadow can actually be seen properly rather than just a more fluffy one. Then taking this Kiko, it's a new product that I found this year. It's called Dark Treasure. Well, the shade is Dark Treasure, but I don't actually know what it's called. I think it's just like a metal foil eyeshadow, and it's so nice. I'm just applying that with my fingertips because that works the best, I think, for this. I have tried it on my clients with a brush and it's absolutely fine, but I just think fingers work a lot better. Then I'm going in with my ColourPop eyeshadows, and the first one is Amaze. Again, I'm just taking it with my same finger. I'm using my ring finger because it's a lot lighter and the pressure of it won't be too harsh compared to the other fingers. But yeah, I'm literally just going over with Amaze. It's got a nice shimmer, like a goldy sort of champagne-y shimmer flex to it. And just in the center parts of my eyes now, I'm going in with Birthday Girl by ColourPop, and that's got more of a silvery sort of look. So it just kind of combines champagne and silver. Then I just felt that I was missing something on the outer corners, so I just added literally a tiny bit of Handwritten by MAC, which is a nice brown color. As you can see, it's just a tiniest amount just to add a little something. Moving on to my crease again, I'm taking Coral by MAC on a fluffy brush and literally just kind of smoothing out those edges, and that will also add a tiny bit of color to it as well, so it's not just all browns, it just kind of looks a little bit more colorful as well at the same time. Time to dust off the bake, and this brush I'm actually really liking. It's a one by Morphe. It comes in a gift set. It doesn't have a name on it, so I don't know what the name of the brush is, but I really like it. Moving on to my eyeliner. As you guys know, I love this eyeliner. It's by Inglot and it's number 77, and this thing just won't budge. Like once you get it on, it's there. It's really good. For under my eyes, I'm using this brown eyeliner. It's actually a waterproof one, which is also hard to budge when you get it in the wrong place, but it's amazing once you got it in right. For my tight lining, I'm using the Infallible Gel Liner, the black one by L'Oreal. And now it's just time to curl my lashes before going in with my mascara. I didn't really want to wear falsies today, so I just went in with a couple of coats of this mascara. It's the Ultimate Mascara by L'Oreal, and guys, it is so good. It's a good dupe for the Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. And so much more affordable. I mean, I think it's about 10 or 11 pounds, but compared to the Bad Girl Bang one, it's so much cheaper. And in Superdrug, I got it when it's 3 for 2, so worth it. Moving on to my lips, I'm using the 309 lip liner by Kiko, I think it was, and it's one of my favorite lip liners, especially for my Asian brides, the ones who like the more kind of deeper red tone lips. It's so good. Then for my lipstick, I'm taking Russian Red by MAC, which I think is my favorite red MAC lipstick. I have others, but that is my favorite one. Then finally just setting everything in place with my Urban Decay. So this is my finished look, guys. It didn't take long at all. I just spent a little bit longer blending other colors and stuff. Like I've done brown on the outer ends. You didn't even have to do that. If you wanted to keep it more simple, just do that 1 coat or 2 coats of color on the lids and then you're good to go. I mean, I feel this look is perfect for those of you who don't like too much makeup on the eyes, like eye makeup. It looks very simple to me. You don't have to put the eyeliner on. You can smoke out the eyeliner if you wanted to. As I said earlier, you don't have to have the brown. You can do how, you know, however you like it. You can change your lip color, whichever way you prefer. But I thought this was the a really good quick and easy look because I was running a little bit late, so I've got to go, but I hope you guys liked this video. Please do thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to enter that Christmas giveaway. It's still going, not too long to go now, just over a week to go. So if you haven't watched that, I will link it up there so you can click on it and watch that video to see how you can enter. But in that video, the amount of goodies that was in the bag was probably half full. Now it's literally overflowing. So I have added so many more goodies to that list. So yeah, if you want to see some of the products that you could win, then catch that video. But otherwise, I'm gonna have to go. But I'll catch you in my next video.